Feast of the Assumption, August 15. It was her privilege, Mary's privilege, because of her fiat. She was brought up to heaven, body and soul. The dogma of Mary's assumption into heaven stands on a strong foundation, biblically, theologically, and historically. For faithful Catholics, it has been proved over and over again in approved apparitions such as Lourdes and Fatima, and of course, Our Lady of Guadalupe. There are four dogmas about Mary. We have Assumption, Immaculate Conception, Divine Motherhood, and Perpetual Virginity. The difference between the Feast of the Ascension and the Assumption. During the Assumption, Jesus received Mary in heaven, or Mama Mary was brought up to heaven, body and soul. And then in the Ascension, Jesus ascended into heaven by himself. At the Annunciation, Mary received Jesus here on earth by saying yes to God, accepting her responsibility to be the mother of Jesus. At the Assumption, Jesus is the one who received Mary in heaven. So we celebrated these two feasts, the Annunciation every um, March 25, and then the Assumption August 15. In this month of August, there are three important Marian feasts. We have August 5, Our Lady of Snow, August 15, Assumption, and August 22, the Queenship of Mary. Mary assumed into heaven, body and soul, as her reward from God because of her obedience and yes to God during the Annunciation. Thank you for watching and listening.